Lily. What's this up here? What's this? Lily's inspecting her new catmate door that we're soon to install. You like this, Lily? We're gonna have to train you how to use it. Lily's a little over 4 years old now, and we've been letting her in and out of the door. First the door to the garage, and then the door to the exterior, ever since we had her. So now it's time to give her a little bit more freedom to come and go as she wishes. So this is the inside frame. See, Lily? There we go. And this is the exterior frame. Has a little lock on it. See, Lily? See? There you go. It's okay. You'll get used to it. And they fit together quite easily. There's a little gasket here. And you can use the interior frame as a template to draw around it to cut your hole with a jigsaw. You ready to go outside, Lily? Pretty soon you can open the door on your own. There she goes. The instructions suggest that the bottom opening for the tunnel should be about the same height as the underside of the pet. For Lily, it's about 6 inches. So I measured 6 inches up on the door and ran a strip of tape, this painter's masking tape, making it level, and then also found the center and ran rough edges of the tape on the outside dimensions of the opening of this frame. Then I took a pencil, and then on the inside, I drew this line as a reference where to cut with the jigsaw. Now I'll be cutting on the outside of the line, so I've got a little bit of a gap between the two, a little bit of fudge room, if you will, so there'll be some flexibility when you mount the frame on the front and on the back of the door. First, I need to drill some pilot holes in all 4 corners so I have a place to insert the blade of the jigsaw. Before I cut a hole in the door, I'm going to check this frame width to see if I need to cut it down any. For a narrower door, nope, looks like it's going to fit perfectly. Now I want to make sure this jigsaw blade is long enough to go through the entire thickness of this door. The fun part, let's drill the pilot holes. I hope I can get them straight through the door. I'm going to take some quick measurements on the other side to see how close I am. Well, it looks pretty good. We've got some fudge room here too, so we should be okay. I'm going to drill 2 more pilot holes in the bottom corners of the opening, and then I can check it here on this side of the door. Make sure I've got it in the right location. See how I did. It's gonna work. All right, now I'll expand the holes to fit in the jigsaw blade. This time a 5/16 inch bit should work fine. Instead of drilling all the way through from one side, I'm gonna first drill just the front panel here from the inside and then go to the outside of the door and drill through that way. That should make it a little bit neater finish, I think. Jigsaw time. Okay, disclaimer here. I have no experience using a jigsaw. And at least I have some hollow ground blades that are designed for reverse cut and chip-free cutting. So let's hope that this will do the job. And let's hope that I can do the job. Okay, see, one mistake I'm making, I need to be outside this line. So I didn't make drill my hole high enough. I think I can work the blade over a little bit to compensate for that. So let's see what I can do. That was pretty slick. Not bad for my first cut using a jigsaw. Well, I guess that's pretty smooth. It's going to be covered up by the frame anyway. This door is old and it's wood, making this job relatively easy to do. If this were a metal door, I'd have a problem. And one thing I didn't mention is wearing safety glasses. My plastic lenses are considered safety glasses, so be sure you do that. A view of my cutting from the backside. How we doing? Uh-oh. Let's see if we can still have enough overlap that it won't be a problem. Plenty of room. Final cuts with the jigsaw. Gotta make sure I hold it flat here. I think that's what happened on that one cut. Cheat a little bit and go up. Have to hit it from the other side. Ta-da! I see I'm gonna have to file down or cut out some edges here. All corners need to be cleaned up. Go ahead and work on that. Turns out this is a solid core door. It's like a particle board or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and see what the jigsaw can do to chisel some of the corners out. And I notice at the top, I have an incorrect angle from this side, so I need to cut out the top. But first I'm gonna work on the corners and see what I can do with the jigsaw. The jigsaw blade's not cutting straight through, it tends to bow. I don't know if it's me or the blade or just the way it goes with solid wood. Yeah. A little file work should do it. A little bit of adjustment from the other side, I think we got it. A little tight there and there. Smooth it out. All right, let's go stick the flap side on it. Looks good. A bit of a chore, but not too difficult. Well, Lily's not quite ready to try out that new cat door. We'll let her rest a while. It's going to be a workout for her the first time. Sleep well, Lily. The last step is to attach these two frames to the hole in the door. 3 different lengths of screws were provided in the kit. And I think for the interior frame, the smaller screws, actually I'm going to take the middle screw since it's a solid core door, should work just fine. So we got 4 of those. We'll just have to mark them and drill a pilot hole and we'll be good. But I discovered that the exterior door flap frame, the holes in it are not drilled wide enough diameter to accommodate any of the screws. You could force them through, but that could crack it. So I'm going to have to pre-drill these and then use some shorter screws that I happen to have in my kit. They're actually thinner, narrower diameter. And these I think will do a better job. So I'm going to drill this out with an 1/8 inch bit and open it up to accommodate those screws. Yeah, that'll do it. Now I'll mark the holes for both of these frames, drill a pilot hole, and attach them to the door. Don't want to overdo it. Yeah, I should do it. Now the back side. See if I open that up enough for these screws. Looks like it. No problem. Do them a little loose at first. This has that gasket, so it's pulling it against the door a little bit. No weather is going to hit this, so not too worried about it being waterproof. And the cat's going to come in wet and dirty, as she does quite often. All right, all that's left to do is to put on the little white caps to cover the screw holes. Let's see if my fingers will work okay pressing easily. Yeah. Looks nice. Other side. Last 4 caps. There we go. All done. Hi, Lily. Lily wants to go outside. Let's see if she can figure out how to get through. Come here, Lily. Come here. See? Come on. Let's go. Look at that. Perfect timing. Lily woke up just in time to test the door. Of course, I had to help her with opening it, but now she knows how it works. So I gotta test this out for Lily. Let's see here. See if I can get through. There's no way. So you gotta be a little creature to get through this door. Anyway, it wasn't all that hard to do. Even though I had no jigsaw skills, I think I could do this again. In fact, I probably will be doing it again for the other door that goes to the backyard. Well, let's see how it works out first. Thank you for watching my video, and good luck with your cat doors. Let's see if Lily comes in by herself. Hi, Lily. Kitty, kitty, kitty. There she comes. A little bit of help. Good kitty.